Welcome to a world too small for the eyes, but full of life. Right now, we are entering the microscopic world of a living cell.
Let's begin our journey by shrinking down, smaller and smaller, and there it is, a single living cell. Now look closely, this is the cell wall. It is a strong outer protective layer. It gives the cell shape, support, and protection. And just inside is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a thin, flexible living layer. It is made of a double layer called the phospholipid bilayer. It has tiny protein channels that control what moves in and out.
Oxygen and nutrients enter through it. Waste and harmful particles are blocked.
As we step inside, we enter a completely new environment.
This jelly-like material filling the cell is called the cytoplasm. It is not empty, it is alive with movement. All the tiny parts of the cell float and function inside it. Think of it as a busy living ocean where everything is constantly active and connected. This is where all cellular activities take place. Now we move toward the center of the cell. Here we find a large and important structure. This is the nucleus. It is known as the control center of the cell.
This is the nuclear membrane. It acts as a protective layer for the nucleus.
It has tiny openings called nuclear pores that control what enters and leaves.
Inside it is DNA, the instruction manual of life. Every function of the cell is controlled from here.
It decides how the cell grows, works, and even reproduces. Without the nucleus, the cell cannot survive.
Now I see glowing structures scattered inside the cell. These are mitochondria.
The mitochondria are called the powerhouse of the cell. Their job is to produce energy.
This energy is used for all important activities inside the cell, helping it stay alive and active. In plant cells, this energy is very important for growth, making food, and staying healthy. Without mitochondria, the plant cell cannot grow or function properly.
Here we see tiny structures constantly working. These are the ribosomes. They are the protein factories of the cell.
They build proteins, which are essential for growth and repair. These proteins travel through the cell, strengthening its structure, fixing small damages, and supporting growth.
Even though they are very small, their role is extremely important.